Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Aiman Hanafi. Welcome back to our channel. Today, I will like to explain to you about plantation pollution in industry area. Okay, before we go further, I would like to show you I would like to tell you what is the pollution in the plantation area. Pollution in the plantation area is a substance that enter towards the environment in the plantation area that can cause a disaster within the industry. You want to know more? Let's find out.
Good evening, everyone. Today, I would like to share about the water pollution in agriculture industry. The water pollution can be defined as any chemical or physical change in water that adversely affect the health of the human and the other organism. The agriculture pressure on the water quality has a great intensified in a recent decades, with a significant negative impact on the human health and our natural environment. The agriculture intensification is often accompanied by the soil eroded, salinity, and sediment load in water by the excessive use of input such as fertilizer to increase the productivity. Fertilizer is a type of non-point source pollution, which is make it harder to regulate and reduce compared to the other pollution. In the nitrogen application, the soil only use 18% of the nitrogen applied, and the remaining of the nitrogen will left as a residue in the soil. It's accumulate and eroded with soil before it reach the groundwater or volatile into our atmosphere. The nitrates are highly water soluble. When it rains, it will move readily into the lake, river, and stream, which might lead to the alga bloom.
Hi, I am Nurul Asmira. Now I'm talking about an air pollution at plantation area. Air pollution occurs when harmful or excessive quantities of substances, including gases, particles, and biological molecules, are introduced into Earth's atmosphere. An air pollution at plantation area commonly caused by an open burning. Do you know what is open burning? Let me explain to you what is an open burning. Open burning usually carried out during land clearing or replanting oil palm, especially at pit area. This is one of the main causes of the annual transboundary haze in this region. Now let's take a look how open burning happens. That's happened at small plantation area. Have you ever imagined what about at the larger plantation? Let's take a look. According to Environmental Quality Act (EQA) 1974, open burning can be defined as fire, combustion, or smoldering that occurs in an open air which is not directed through chimney or stack. As prohibited by the law, no one shall cause or allow open burning on any premises and subjected to legal action if found guilty.
Okay, now you know what is water pollution and air pollution in the plantation area. Does it give effect or impact toward the environment? So, there are some friends of my friend that will explain to you the impact of the water pollution and air pollution within the plantation area. Let's check it out.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Faizwin bin Muhammad Rosli. Today I will explain about impact water pollution. Okay, the water pollution cause firstly urbanization and deforestation. Even top is this night have a direct impact on water quality. Urbanization and deforestation have a lot of indirect effect. For instance, cutting down trees and correcting over large area generate an acceleration of flow which does not give enough time for the water to infiltrate and be purified by the ground. Okay, for the impact water pollution is on the environment. Water pollution truly harm biodiversity aquatic ecosystem. The toxic chemical can change the color of water and increase the mineral, also known as purification, which has a bad impact on life in water. Thermal pollution, defined by a rise in the temperature of water bodies, contributes to global warming and cause serious hazard to water organisms. Okay, on human health, water pollution has very negative on public health. A lot of disease result from drinking or being in contact with contaminated water, such as diarrhea, cholera, typhoid, dysentery, or skin infection. In zone where there is no available drinking water, the main risk is dehydration, obviously. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you. Bye.
Impact of air pollution in plantation. First, increase high volatile organic compound (VOC) produced by the oil palm trees. According to Natural Environment Research Council, in 2009, area of oil palm plantation is producing high concentration of VOC and nitrogen oxide in an environment as compared to natural forest area. Emission of VOC and NO nitrogen oxide is increased in plantation area cause ozone concentration is increased to a dangerous level for human health. Therefore, oil palm plantation will increase VOC emission that affect towards environment. Secondly, forest fires initiated by the burning during establishment of plantation. According to KRM in 2011, the largest contributor of air pollution due to the forest burning is Indonesia, but not in Malaysia. The effect of forest burning causes severe haze due to high concentration of sulfur dioxide, SO2, carbon monoxide, and methane gas in atmosphere. The impact of haze will cause reduced photosynthesis activities and change of nutrients balance and soil acidity. Therefore, it will affect the vegetative growth of oil palm.
Okay, now you know the impact of environment. Now let's hear some opinion for the what is pollution within the plantation area.
Cik, saya nak tanya, apa pendapat Cik tentang pembakaran terbuka?
Bagi saya pembakaran terbuka tu tak berapa bagus lah. Macam makan alam sekitar kita. Lepas tu takut bahaya dia terutama sekali kepada budak kecil. Sebab takut boleh sesak nafas. So saya rasa pembakaran terbuka secara besar-besaran tu memang tak patutlah dibuat.
Now, you know the impact of water pollution and air pollution within the plantation area that give a bad effect toward our environment and social. It's up to you to make a change for the better of future generation. See you within the next one. Bye.